Hitchcock, take one.
We're throwing foods at the birds. And they're crazy.
There's like species down there.
I'm scared. But there's like so many birds down here.
Make them come close.
But there's so many ducks. They're swans and they're really pretty. Oh my god. I don't really like seagulls. But there's so many ducks.
Oh, look at all the ducks.
There's so many ducks though. There's 2 swans down there. They're so pretty. But this is pretty hilarious though. There's icebergs.
There's a duck. Kelsey, look at that one. He's a goose. Oh my god, Gabby, get a picture of that one.
Which one?
The goose. Look at his teeth.
I'm taking a video. Look at those swans. No, watch the swans.
Buddy.
They're so pretty.
Let me see if I have more crackers.
No, we just.
You have that whole pack of crackers in the tampon case.
They're gonna like eat us. I'm adding.
No, I don't want the swans to like. Get those guys.
Don't throw them at the swans.
They haven't done anything. We're moving our packages in there.
Okay.
Hello, pretty gypsy. Hello, pretty gypsy. Hello, pretty. Your face looks nice. Your face looks very nice.
Oh dear.
Hey, cracker. Get the geese. They're so cute.
They are cute.
Hello, pretty.
Honk, honk.
Don't feed them. Gabby, wait. I have to show them that we're friendly. Hello, pretty gypsies. I have to.
I love pretty gypsies.
Throw it. No, you bastards! I'll kill you all. Come here. I love you. Hello. Hi. He's got rage.
Oh my Oh my god. I got this on video. Oh my god. Why did you do Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Wow, that's so amazing. I'm gonna end this now, okay?